In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows 11 computer. So this is actually going to be a nice and easy tutorial. All you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and all we're going to do is type in C++ Redistributable download and then hit enter. Then we're going to click on the top search result, this Microsoft.com website, and then we're just going to scroll down slightly on the page until you see the download section. Now there's two different versions that you can download, either the 64-bit version or the x86 version. Now, if you have a 64-bit computer, you need to make sure you download the x64, and if you have a 32-bit computer, you need to make sure you download x86. If you're not sure what version you have, just head over to your start menu, search for system information, and then next to where it says system type, you'll either see x64 or x32. So because I've got x64, I'm going to be downloading this x64 version here. Once that's finished downloading, simply open up the application, and then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to install this to your computer. Because I already have this installed, I'm only going to have the option for uninstall or repair. And once that's finished installing, you will need to restart your computer. And then if you head over to your start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. If you then click on apps from the left hand side and select installed apps, using the search box at the top, type in C++. You can see now we have all of these Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable applications. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.